Welcome to Home Sierra Services, your premier provider of exquisite lawn care services in Greenville and surrounding areas. More than just a lawn care service, we are a local institution deeply rooted in the community. Home Sierra Services aims to be your trusted partner in maintaining a green, healthy, and beautiful outdoor space, offering reliable and affordable lawn services that are always within reach. Our services include lawn mowing, spring and fall cleanup, fencing installation, flower bed and garden cleanup, as well as sod, rock, and mulch installation. In addition to our exceptional lawn care services, we also provide expert handyman services to cater to a range of your home maintenance needs. At Home Sierra Services, we blend expertise, reliability, and personalized touch to make this journey effortless and enjoyable for you. We take pride in our deep understanding of the local soil and climate conditions crucial for effective lawn care. Our experience in the region enables us to provide services perfectly suited to the local conditions, ensuring your lawn stays lush, healthy, and beautiful throughout the year. We aim to provide services that bring you value, satisfaction, and peace of mind. Your journey to a vibrant, healthy lawn begins with Home Sierra Services. Contact us today, and let's create a lawn that reflects the natural beauty of your surroundings. Call us at 864-901-7032